Hello, my name is Bhavesh, and I will talk about the document implementing concept circular economy for sustainable urban transportation cargo. Case of textile manufacturing supply chain by Bhavesh, D. Chetan P. Okay, in India, the rapid industrialization and expansion of the textile market has created a difficult and challenging situation for logistic and transportation planners of textile companies, as congestion is an increasing problem. This document affirms that the beneficial measures have been taken, optimizing freight trips and congestion on the streets. Due the heavy-duty vehicles transported by massive textile production has been reduced, and an example is given to Surat, India. After the economic liberalization of India in 1991, environmental pollution has also been an increasing problem. Due to toxic waste from industries and their vehicles, it is estimated that in India, the transport sector emits 258.10 million metric tons of carbon dioxide (CO2), of which 94.5% was contributed solely by road transport. This specifically in Surat. It has been established that according to studies carried out in Surat, the conceptual framework of the circular economy from 2007 to 2016 has yielded good results, changing the paradigm to industries which are massive polluters of the city, taking advantage of its resources of a better way, reusing raw material and recycling another, optimizing the maximization of resources to reduce toxic emissions in the environment. The document reflects the textile production process in Surat, which is massive and encompasses a large amount of labor. An analysis of air quality is demonstrated, where it is evidenced that Pandesara and Sachin are the Surat sectors with the most toxicity, because chemicals and oils are used there for processing textiles. Through the survey carried out with drivers of heavy-duty vehicles in Surat, it is evident that many times they are not full enough and that his trip could have been used with more cargo and thus reduce CO2 emissions. The author of the document recognizes in his conclusions that heavy load vehicles should be used in the best way. He even proposes sharing cargo trips, that is, that companies share cargo vehicles to minimize congestion and, of course, mitigate pollution. It also proposes relocating cargo holds close to industries to reduce kilometers traveled. I believe that both in India and the rest of the world should be aware of the pollution generated by vehicles. I know that it's difficult to switch to electric vehicles due to cost issues, but little by little the industry should aim for that objective for as soon as possible. It would be very useful for industries to support the author's initiative to be able to make the best use of heavy cargo trips, since the better they are used, the less congestion and pollution.